welcome back to my channel. I love no thoughts. Okay, so we have slime today. We got some slime. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on those notification bells whenever so you don't miss a new upload. Let's go. So these are the charms that I'm putting in my slime. I have two different slimes. So first we got. This is the first for the first slime. We got a little candy. We got a little candy. That's for a slime that I'm not gonna show you. I'm gonna show you after. It's. Oof! I keep on dropping everything. Can you see it? Like it's a little cake, and it says "Happy Birthday." It's not even gonna be in it. It's like you can kind of see it's like a heart. Like it's kind of like a heart. It's kind of like a heart cake. So yeah. And then this is like a strawberry cake. It's pretty clear. And then for the second, let me move this to the side. Don't want you to see it. And for the second one, it's a peach. So you can kind of guess. Everything has every slime has a theme. So I'm gonna show you all the ones. Actually, before I get started, I'm gonna show all the ones that before. I'm gonna just show you now, like here. Can you see it? There. Those are the ones. Those are the ones that is for the first one. So let me say it again. Candy, heart thing, and another heart cake. So if you can kind of guess what that theme is, hit the red plus button. Okay, now the first one is a peach. No, it's not what you think it is. If you're thinking bum, it's not that because I don't have any poop. I mean, I do have a poop. It could be in here. Yeah, I do have a poop charm. Like I can, if I want, I can show it to you guys. We got a poop charm. It's so adorable with the peach. If you know what the peach means, it's cute. But this is not in it, so yeah. After I show you the charms I'm putting in our slime, I'm going to show you all my charms. So yeah, we got peach in the first slime, 2 cherries. No, it's not that. I also got cherries, but it's not these, and it's not there. But to change it off topic, we got watermelon on a stick. You can kind of see the stick. Yeah. Those are my charms for those 2 slimes, and I'm going to show you all the charms that I didn't put in my slime, and for these slimes specifically. So these are our 2 freebie handbag charms. So you can get them free. Like I got them for free, because I got them off of my gift card. And you can kind of see this one is a heart bag with pearl handle, and this one's a lip bag with this type of handle with a little heart. I don't know if you can see the heart there. I don't know if you can see the heart, but I mean it's still there. So then there's this dice. It's so realistic. It's one of my charms. So yeah. we got a little mermaid. Hold on. Got a little mermaid. This like a boring, plain ice cream cone. Got this chocolate swirl cone. And we got this cone. It's like has strawberries. There's like it has a strawberry. There's chocolate syrup. And there's 2 scoops. There's definitely 2 scoops. You can kind of see the chocolate. Like you can kind of see there. And then we also got, I could have got instead of the actually no, instead of the, which one do you think? Should I do the pineapple? What do you think? Okay, I'm just gonna show you like, okay, tell me there could only be 3, at least only 1 to 3 charms in one slime. What slimes? What slime? Okay. What slime? What 3, like what 3 sets do you want? Like what set do you want? Pineapple, cherry, watermelon, or peach? Tell me in the comments below. So I'm thinking about like summertime fruit, so that's pineapple, and I believe cherries are summertime fruits, and then watermelon are definitely summertime fruits. So bye bye peach. So now I guess this is our combination of pineapple. It's so cute, like the face is 3D. Then 2 cherries, like together. And the watermelon. It's cool. Now I'm going to show you one slime. This is going to be the boring slime. It's with the candy. This theme is candy galore. It's going to be candied galore. And since it's called candy, and this is the slime. Look at it, it's blue color. It's not picking the blue, but on like camera, it's like purple kind of. But it's actually like a dark blue, kind of a dark blue, and it's so poppy and nice. It feels so good. So good. Like it literally feels amazing. And these are the charms. I need to pick them out, so it might take a little while, so bye. So we got the charms, and they're like little peppermint candy. They're adorable. Let me show you one. So we got a green little peppermint candy. We got 3 yellow peppermint candy. Is it? Yeah, we got 3 peppermint, the yellow ones. Got one pink. No, that one was red and this one's pink. So adorable. Oh yeah, and we got a green, if I haven't already said. So cute, and the slime is so like adorable. Like I don't know how adorable it can get. More can get. Like it's already got like a few of the charms because I accidentally dropped it in the like slime container kind of. And just taking out a sneak charm. But this is a really good slime. I need to make like a swirl. Like this is how we're gonna do it. Like a little swirl. And I'm gonna like do like a, oh no, stuck. Like one of those really cool swirls that how like people do. And it just broke. Like it literally just snapped. So I'm gonna try again. This time not let it snap. So it has to be like long enough or like stretchy enough that it doesn't like snap or something. So what I like to do is just do this, and it just snapped like a lot. So I'm gonna continue doing it, and I'm gonna go show you guys in like a little second. But I'm gonna just do like one of the TikTok swirl, not like a TikTok swirl, but look at that, it's so cute. It's amazing. Oh no, I just ruined it. Oh no, what are we gonna do? Yeah, I ruined it on purpose because I wanted to make a better one, because I know I've made like so many more better ones, but like I'm not even trying, but I've made so many more better ones. Also, if I just spot something, then I just take it out. It's for like another video. Not another video, another slime. This one is one of my favorite slimes. Like, I was tied between the other one I'm making today in this video. You can kind of hear like ripping noises. I don't know. I don't get it. Like, it's purple on camera, but like in real life, it's like properly blue. It's gonna rip, isn't it? It's ripping a lot more than usual. Okay, this is gonna be a good one. Look at it, it's beautiful. Hopefully I don't mess it up. So I'm gonna actually show what I'm doing now, because I think you guys would actually like to see it. There we go. So first I'm gonna add this candy. Can you guys see it? Right here. That. I think this is like a better angle for you guys. And then we're gonna add the happy birthday cake, then the other strawberry cake, and then we're gonna add like these peppermint type of candy that I just dropped one, so